Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by opening Viber because you need the app active to search. Once the app is open, make sure Contacts Permission is enabled so Viber can read your phone book. Without it, you can't match numbers. If you haven't saved the person, add their number to your phone now, including country code. This initial setup makes matching automatic and fast and prevents wasted steps later when you try to locate someone within the app. You should tap the search icon or go to Contacts inside Viber to begin. Type the person's name or the full phone number including the country code. Viber matches both names and numbers. If nothing shows, pull down to refresh or use the Sync Contacts option in Settings. This forces Viber to rescan your address book. Make sure the saved number matches exactly. Small differences in formatting can stop a match. When you see them, once you find the entry, open their profile to confirm identity by photo or status because names can duplicate. Then tap Message or Call to contact them. This completes the core task. If you can't find them, make sure they haven't blocked you and check Viber's blocked list, then resync contacts and restart the app. If syncing fails, toggle Contacts Permission off and on in phone settings, then relaunch Viber. This usually resolves visibility issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.